AyitiOrganic. As of today, May 7, 2026, the FAA, U.S. Federal Aviation Administration, has extended its prohibition on U.S. flights landed in Port-au-Prince. This is going to be extended through September 3rd, 2026. And it's true, everyone is asking and demanding Alex DJ Fusime, Prime Minister of Haiti, to open up the airports. But I believe people must remember that Alex is a ex-Marine, a U.S. soldier doing his job. He's not working for the people of Haiti. Another thing, I believe that we are getting ready to probably invade. When I say we, I'm talking about the U.S. government invade a neighboring country, probably Cuba, and they need the base in Port-au-Prince to assist this war.